Hello and welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add elements of lists in Python. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you've got some experimental data that has background noise, for example, and you'd like to take that away or add it for some reason, and your data is obviously in the form of a list, especially if you're plotting. So I'll be showing you how to add elements of lists in Python today. Check out the video description as I'll try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. Obviously, if you're essentially trying to take away your background noise from your data set, you'd be subtracting, but the idea is basically the same. So I'm just going to show you how to do that. I'm just going to create my first list, X, and my second list, Y, which is basically going to be the data that which is going to be what I'm adding to X, obviously. So now we're going to make use of a for loop, and I'm going to say for I in range of, and this is going to be the length of X essentially. And now I'm just going to say F is equals to X of I plus Y of I, and this will basically add each element from these two lists together. And I'm also just going to create an empty list for Z before my for loop. And here I'm going to be appending F to Z. So I'm just going to say Z dot append F inside the for loop. And then if I print Z, as you can see, this gives me a list where X and Y elements have been added together. And yeah, you can do the same by just putting a minus sign, so you can subtract as well. And I will do that. You can also multiply. And yeah, that's basically it, you guys. If you wanted to know how to add elements of lists in Python, this is the easiest way I know how. And if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.